I'm excited to be here today and be associated with the TechCrunch event. I'm Deepak Khurana. I am CEO, co-founder of VServe. We are a smart data platform for mobile marketing focused in India, Southeast Asia. We started the company about 2010, and today we have a profile base of over 500 million unique users. These are mobile internet users. We have rich insights about these users, and we leverage these insights for mobile marketing. So talking about why we are here today, if you really look at the whole ecosystem of mobile internet today, and you start thinking about saying that where will the next billion mobile internet users come from? The answer is very clear. The answer is emerging markets. You talk about countries like India, Southeast Asia, Middle East Africa, Latin America. They're going to see a massive explosion of mobile internet users. And obviously, mobile is a global economy, And when we speak about MWC, there is no other event bigger and relevant or bigger than MWC as far as mobile is concerned or mobility is concerned. So I think this event is a huge opportunity for us to meet like-minded people, talk about the explosive growth in our core markets like India, Southeast Asia, meet people who have great ideas. Today, everyone is inspired with this huge opportunity of mobile internet user base. You could be an app developer sitting in Spain, you could be sitting in Poland, you could be sitting in Russia, but your view of the world is global from the beginning. You're not making an app only for one country, you're making an app for a large audience. So with that, we are here to kind of hear some ideas, to see what people are thinking about. We want to, through this event, through the show, talk about the opportunity in emerging markets, and then really see how that kind of does a matchmaking between what they are trying to do with what we are doing in those markets. So I think yes, when you talk about any data as an opportunity, clearly you need to understand that how does that data delivers actionable results to the marketer or the person who is really buying that data. So it has to clearly be measurable. So when we are building out these data sets, these are data sets. So there are companies in the space who just independently build out data sets without really applying it in real time. Unless and until you are having a virtuous cycle of application of the data, iterating on the learnings of that application of that data, going back and getting your algorithm, to look at various other models of data, and you keep refining that. Okay, and so that's how you really make money out of it. That's how you monetize the data, because you on real time are not just aggregating data, not just organizing data, not just running various data models on it, but you're doing real-time application for various customer segments. So that kind of brings in the balance between, transforming. That's really how, if I have to say, you end up transforming big data to smart data.